Hey guys, I'm Jose Mejia. I'm here to give you my 90-day review of joining Real. I joined back in October 1st, and I know that things change, over time, and it could be for the good and for the bad. And so I wanted to give my 90-day review, post it on here, and hoping that in the future, you can find other reviews and just to see how things are going. Let's talk a little bit about the good and a little bit about the bad. I think that, when I first signed on to Real, I looked at the process, the registration process, as the best words that I can use to explain it is simple, practical. There wasn't really a lot of platforms that you're signing up on. I think it's pretty streamlined, straightforward. There could be maybe a few little things added, maybe some video tutorials or something of that nature. But for the most part, I think it was pretty straightforward, streamlined, and simple. I think most tech-savvy people are going to figure it out. Not that it's, techie so much, but some people will probably need just a little bit of guidance. But, straightforward. When you register, you get introduced. There's maybe about 2, no more than 3 emails. And it's just very simple instructions in those emails with hyperlinks, things of that nature. Okay. The process of, just being at Real and really experiencing their culture firsthand, it's been actually kind of, interesting to watch. And the best thing that I can really describe for you guys is the actual meaning of the word collaboration at this company. I feel is very true and very authentic into what you may hear, see, and read about this company. I'm not sure if that has to do with the fact that there's not many members yet. I think we're sitting somewhere around 3,000 to 3,500 at the time of this video. But what I see here is, Facebook Workplace is utilized, and you hit different categories like whether it's a referral group, whether it's a marketing group, whatever the groups are, and there's very few. What you see is a lot of collaboration, like real true collaboration. I haven't really experienced any bad attitudes, things of that nature. And it's been interesting to watch because, the collaboration, the word collaborating and masterminding, sometimes I think just gets thrown around, and a lot of cases, some people feel left out. And I think that, Real and the places where they collaborate and teach, you can feel that they're very open and very welcoming to anyone who wants to participate, really. You don't feel excluded. You don't feel like somebody's getting, specific special treatment just because they came under a specific sponsor, things of that nature. Everyone is really utilizing the same tools, and there's something about, I think that there's something about that policy that Real has in place about, not offering coaching to specific people only because you're going to sponsor them, things like that. I think there's something about that because everyone feels like they have the same access to the same, masterminding and collaboration, regardless of sponsor, right? And there's just something like real honest about that. I remember kind of listening to that, principle and seeing it and just kind of figuring out like, man, that's, interesting. I mean, let's see what happens, right? And yeah, there's just something about it that is very true, very authentic, that you feel very included. And you just feel like you really, truly have access to specific type of teaching and training from different people. And what you're going to find out, for those who do decide to join Real, what I found out was, there's specific names and faces, I saw that appear to be, maybe leaders, maybe early adopters, people who signed up maybe 2 years ago. And what you'll find out is that you'll start identifying these people and identifying these names. And these are, usually the same people that are leading some instructing course like the social media marketing or the lead generating or converting leads. And you're going to find out that you have the same access to the same stuff that they're teaching, not to just their downline, but they just really teach it to anyone at Real that wants to be plugged in. And it's pretty straightforward. You know, you don't have to go to 3 different places to find educational classes. It's all within the Facebook workplace. And it's being typically what you see is that it's being led by using Zoom technology, which is fit. So, you know, you're not having to go to different platforms or things of that nature. It's all there. So I think that's pretty cool. You know, I think the word collaboration and masterminding has taken a whole different meaning here at this company in this environment. So I think that's pretty neat. I think I'm all over the place with the good and the bad, but I'm sure, you know, nothing's perfect. I know some of the back support, stuff like that. Very awesome people, good attitudes. Maybe there could be a little things that they're trying to figure out, you know, little by little. And I think that with proper feedback, I think that, you know, those things will be corrected as well. Nothing too terrible, just, you know, the little details that are being figured out along the way. But overall, guys, you know, my 90-day review, I would say, is on the up and up, very positive. I feel very good about the decision that I made when I made this decision, you know, almost close to 90 days ago. And everything's holding true to its word. So be on the lookout for future videos for myself and future reviews. And I'll keep you posted so that you guys get the proper feedback. And don't feel shy to drop me a message or a comment below wherever you're seeing this video. I think a lot of people know me for being pretty straightforward and just honest with the information so that people can make proper decisions. Hey guys, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Of course, you know, a lot of love, subscriptions, signing up. All these videos are going to come and play. Check out some of my other videos where I do some coaching and teaching as well. And I'm not just necessarily talking about the company Real. I'll talk to you soon, guys. See you later.